Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Suhas Tarlapally from Braceline Orthodontics. Today we are going to discuss what are the different available braces. What are different types of braces, because most of my patients comes to me and they ask me what are different kind of braces are there. What are all options do I have? So to begin with, let us start with the regular braces where we see with most of the children or most of the adults wear. That's called in normal terms we call it steel braces or the metal braces. So these are the most common braces we see everywhere, most of them wearing them, and usually they are very economical in price. So now what are the advantages of this metal braces, the steel braces? The advantage is that one is they are not expensive, and second thing is they are readily available. For example, if you break braces in between the appointments and then you go back to your orthodontist for replacement, then it becomes very easy because they are readily available with the orthodontist and we can replace it with ease. And they are a little bit stronger when we compare to the other braces. So these are advantages of metal braces. And now what are disadvantages of this? So the disadvantages of the metal braces are they are visible. That's the first thing. But like you say, since braces are becoming very common in nowadays among children and all, so the visibility shouldn't be much a problem nowadays. Now, the second disadvantage of the metal braces, I would say, is the duration. So since they're conventional and regular braces, the treatment duration is longer when we compare them with what are the other latest available braces in the market. So that is one of the disadvantage of the metal braces. Now we are going to the second type. Now the second type is the ceramic braces. The ceramic braces also called the tooth colored braces because they resemble most of the color of your teeth. So they are very they gel with the color of your teeth and they're not as visible like a ceramic. Maybe we can say they're just 20% of visibility of a metal braces. So these ceramic braces are quite popular among elder age group. So these people wear the ceramic braces because they don't want to show the metal braces. So these are called ceramic braces. So advantage, as we discussed, of ceramic braces are their visibility. They are less visible than the metal braces. That is one advantage. And second advantage would be any age group can wear the braces. Maybe a child or maybe adult, and they can wear the braces, the ceramic braces. Now, what are the disadvantages of these ceramic braces? So, the disadvantages of the ceramic braces are one is the treatment duration in some kind of cases wherein we remove a tooth. In those cases, the treatment duration is slightly increased. So maybe a treatment which supposed to finish by 18 to 20 months. In those cases, the treatment duration might go up to 22 to 23 months. That is, 2 to 3 months increase in duration of the treatment. This is basically because the friction, whenever we undergo braces treatment. So I'd like to show you this. So these are the braces, and then to these braces we attach something called the wires. So these wires are attached by, you can see the rings, there's a green color ring over here, the pink color ring over here. So whenever these braces, the wires are attached to the braces with the help of these rings. So there's a friction between this wire and the braces, especially more in a ceramic braces. In those scenarios, the treatment duration is slightly increased by 2 to 3 months. There's one disadvantage. And most of the times, second disadvantage would be most of the times with these ceramic braces, we go with the ceramic wires, means the tooth colored coated wires. These coated wires, the coating doesn't stay for long. It stays only for 1 to 1.5 months, and the coating, chips off in parts in some areas, and then you can, in few areas it gets chipped off, and then in few areas you can see the wire beneath the coating, which is steel in color, and some areas the coating stays. So it looks a bit ugly. So this wire needs to be changed very frequently, cannot be placed like 2 months or 3 months. So that is one of the disadvantage. So these are the disadvantages of the ceramic braces. And now coming to the next, that is called the latest technology. Since science keeps evolving as well as dentistry keeps evolving. So in orthodontics, the latest technology is called self-ligating braces. So what are the self-ligating braces? In self-ligating braces, when the wire is attached to the brace, as I showed you before this, now you can see these rings, there's the green color rings, and then this, the pink ones and all are not there. So when these rings are not there, so usually between the appointments, when the patient comes back to us with the rings become yellowish in color. So the yellowish color, most of the patients, they get disturbed by this yellowishness of the rings, and they would want to change it very frequently. So this is not there. So in the self-lighting braces, usually the yellowish rings are not there. Now you can see these are called self-lighting braces. So over in this scenario, what happens? There is a door over here in the braces. So the door locks the wire onto the bracket. So when the door locks the wire onto the bracket, there are no need of rings. So these rings are totally avoided, and then the patient can happily go around without those yellow rings and all, and they're more comfortable. So even the self-lighting braces comes both in metal as well as in ceramic. So you have option of going for both. So in both the scenarios, these yellowish rings are not visible. Now, what advantage of this metal self-lighting braces or ceramic self-lighting braces, or what is the latest technology of braces? The thing is, the treatment duration is faster by 2 to 3 months, because there's very less amount of friction between the wire and the braces when the tooth moves. When the tooth moves from the original position to the final position. So because of this, the treatment duration is reduced. And second thing is, in some cases wherein we need very little amount of space, to align the irregularly placed teeth. So to align this irregularly placed teeth, when only little amount of space is needed, in that cases, with the conventional regular metal or ceramic braces, we remove teeth. So when you use the self-lighting braces, there's no need to remove any teeth. So the braces expand the jaw by themselves slowly. A little expansion of the jaw occurs, and then the teeth come into alignment. So most of the times in very borderline cases wherein where we don't know how to gain the space of very little small amount of space. But in that scenarios, we sometimes cut the teeth little bit and gain that space. But in self-lighting, your teeth, there's no need to cut your teeth, and your teeth are safe, and then you can go for this. So this is the advantage of self-lighting braces. Now coming to the disadvantage, there's only one disadvantage of self-lighting braces, that is they are slightly going to pinch your pocket. They're slightly expensive than your conventional braces. Now we are going to the next type, that is called aligners. So now what is this aligners? These aligners are the latest in the market. They have become more common in India now. Before it was more common in abroad, and now there are so many aligner companies are coming up in India, and they become more common now. So what are these aligners? So aligners are nothing but there's no braces at all, completely zero braces, there's no visibility, nothing. These are nothing but a thin thermoplastic sheets. So these thermoplastic sheets are in the shape of your jaw, and you just need to wear them. Wear them and then just change them every 15 days. So the advantage is, you need not cut on your favorite foods like you have to do it in a regular conventional braces, maybe self-lighting braces or regular braces, wherein you should avoid like sticky food, hard food and all. But in aligners, all kind of foods can be eaten. You can just remove the aligners, and then you can eat whatever you want to eat. There are n number of videos available on YouTube. If you have any doubts, you can go and check what aligners are, so you get a clear idea how do they work. So these are the latest technology available in dental braces. Now coming to the last one, this is called something called lingual braces. Means usually the braces are fixed on the outer surface of the tooth. So the lingual braces are fixed on the inner surface of the tooth. These are the problem with the lingual braces is there's a lot of irritation to the tongue, and expensive than even the self-lighting braces. So this is one big disadvantage of lingual braces, but we still keep doing few cases now and then lingual braces. So the best alternative, if you don't want braces at all at today's point of time, I would say it's aligners. So in aligners, there are no braces, no change in lifestyle at all. You can go with your regular food, and you just need to remove them while eating. That's only hassle what you have, and you should remember to carry them wherever you go. So that's only disadvantage of aligners, and yeah, they are expensive than your more than your self-lighting or lingual braces. So friends, there's a different types of braces available in the market. So before you go to an orthodontist, choose your braces. Just check your requirements, and then you can talk to an orthodontist and then go for the braces which suits you the best. So this is Dr. Suhas Tarlapally signing off on behalf of Braceline Orthodontics. Thank you.